Hello, students. When you use electricity at home or in your dormitory, have you ever thought about the accuracy of an electricity meter? The issue of inaccuracy, whether the meter is running fast or slow. So, is the electricity meter ever inaccurate? Actually, it can be, because meters are man-made, so there will inevitably be errors. When we talk about inaccuracy, we mean the error in the measurement result exceeds the allowable range. So, how do we determine if it exceeds the allowable range? That is, we need to conduct on-site verification and indoor verification. Today, we will first learn about single-phase electricity meter on-site verification. Electricity meter is a specialized instrument for measuring electricity. According to the regulations on management of electric energy metering devices, requirements it should be regularly or irregularly for trade settlement. Metering devices conduct verification. We will introduce it from equipment and instrument inspection, proper use of the verification instrument, recording of measurement data, and process three aspects: on-site safety and operation points, safety measures, enter the site, dress code, qualified tools and instruments, handle work tickets or work orders, correct and standardized, conduct three-step voltage testing. During operation, prevent electric shock, prevent voltage short circuit, no occurrence of equipment or instrument damage during operation. Operation points, on-site safety organizational measures, and technical measures check the appearance of the electricity meter, check the qualification of the verification instrument, operate correctly and according to regulations, measure the electricity meter, relevant data, record on the site verification data, and run off. Based on the verification data, issue is a verification result notice, clean up the site, close the work ticket, and the report. Basic requirements: dress code, 2 wears and 2 wears, should be standardized, well qualified, and properly fitting. Safety helmet, wear cotton gloves, wear 4 sets of long-sleeved cotton work clothes, wear insulated shoes. Before operation, handle work tickets. After operation, handle work closure. Standardized operation, 3-step voltage testing. Step first. First, test the pan at a confirmed electrified point to check if the pan is intact. Step 2. Test the cabinet exposed metal parts that need to be touched. Step 3. Return to step 1 to recheck the pan to ensure it is intact. Operation process. The equipment and facilities are operating with electricity. Strictly prevent electric shock injuries. Operate according to regulation to avoid equipment and instrument damage. Verification instrument inspection. Instrument inspection. Appearance inspection. Check for any abnormalities in appearance. The display screen should display normally. The instrument parameters should be correct. The button symbols should be clear. The instrument power supply should be normal. The jacks should be free of foreign objects. Instrument test lines. Insulation should be intact. The wire colors should be clear. The voltage lines clips should be intact. Current clamp and polarity markings should be clear. Sampling lines should be intact. Alligator clip colors should be clear. Pulse ports should be intact. The electricity meter sampling ports should be intact. Clamp current transformer. The clamp jaws should be clean and free of abnormalities. The clamp jaws should be open and closed normally. Electricity meter inspection. Electricity meter sealing condition. Air seal, programming cover seal, meter cover seal. Check for any abnormalities, missing, fake seals, broken seal wires, abnormal seals. Electricity meter operation condition. The appearance of the electricity meter should be normal. The display screen should display normally. The nameplate parameters should be clear and complete. Operating condition. Voltage normal. Current load normal. wiring correct, no alarm light, no trip light, active pause light, flashing normally. One on-site is on-site verification. How to perform on-site verification? Test lines, connection of test lines. Test lines connected to the verification instrument side first, then connect to the electricity meter side. Insert the clamp current transformer plug. After turning on, preheat with the verification instrument. Connect sequentially. Voltage measurement of the electricity meter. Current test lines. Pulse sampling lines. When the current clamp drawers are closed, pay attention to polarity. Pulse sampling lines must use the grooves on the connecting lines and the slots on the pulse base to match and then insert vertically. Do not rotate the connecting line. To prevent pin breakage, pulse line definition. The red clip is power end, positive 5 voltage. The yellow clip is the pulse input end. The green clip is the pulse output end. The black clip is the ground end. Verification instrument. Interface settings. Soft keys on the interface. There are 5 soft keys. Operate through the corresponding fixed buttons. Each soft key may have multiple operation items. Each press of a soft key sequentially switches the operation items. Execute the corresponding operation. Edit on the interface. Edit parameters. Use tab, backward, tab, forward to move the focus. Select the edit box. Press the keys to move the cursor between characters. Press the DEL key to delete. Press the Enter key to confirm. Press the Save key to save the current parameters. Press the ESC key to exit. Parameter settings. Pulse sampling. Input mode. Active, reactive. Accuracy class. Current size. Electricity meter constant. Pulse sampling number. Multiplier. Interface input selection. Current matched with the clamp. Constant input. Consistent with the electricity meter constant. Accuracy class selection. Consistent with the electricity meter's accuracy class. Level. Number of turns not less than 3 turns. Multiplier 1 times. Record the data into the record sheet. When recording errors, usually the first 2 errors are larger. Discard them. Start recording them from the third error. Then calculate the average error. After sounding, if the error is within the electricity meter's allowable range, it is qualified. If it exceeds the electricity meter's maximum allowable error, then it needs to be removed and taken to the laboratory for further confirmation. Fill in the result notice. After on-site verification, remove the connections. First, remove the pulse connection line from the electricity meter side. Then remove the current connection line from the electricity meter side. Then remove the voltage connection line from the electricity meter side. Then turn off the power switch of the verification instrument. Finally, remove the plug from the verification instrument side and the current clamp. Finally, remove the plug from the verification instrument side. The power switch of the verification instrument. Finally, remove the plug from the verification instrument side. Side cleaning. Cover the meter, seal the equipment, organize the instruments, count the tools, close the cabinet door, clean up the site, remove the safety measures, close the work ticket, submit the work order, and the report. Students, now we will summarize the on-site verification of single-phase electricity meters. Basic requirements for on-site work: 2 wires and 2 wires, work tickets, 3-step voltage testing, ensure safety, check the electricity meter with the verification instrument. After confirming everything is normal, connect to the verification instrument, and then connect the electricity meter. Set parameters. Start verification. Record from set area. After verification, remove the connection and clean up the site. Close the work ticket. This time, we will end the introduction here. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.